up, guys? Welcome to Smoke Sessions. I'm Howard Sue.
I'm Anita Sue.
And today we're with our great friends, the Home Depot, Kingsford Charcoal, and Masterbuilt. Today we're gonna go over some great grilling techniques that can help you master your flavor at home.
So today we're gonna do baking in my backyard. I love baking outside on my Masterbuilt Gravity series with my Kingsford Charcoal because while my kids are running around out here playing, I can walk away because the Masterbuilt will keep its temperature the entire time. Let's get into it. We're gonna start off by putting all our dry ingredients into the bowl. All right, so next I'm gonna add my wet ingredients. And I'm gonna mix it really well so everything's incorporated nice and evenly.
So I'm just gonna grease up the cast iron skillet.
Now that the batter's in the skillet, we're gonna transfer it over to the Masterbuilt Gravity series, which is set at 350. So let's put it on the middle rack, please. You want the air to circulate around the entire cast iron skillet so the brownie cooks evenly. So now that we've got the brownies on the grill, we're gonna go ahead and use this time to make the whipped cream topping. This is the fun part. Let's see if it's ready. All right, clean. We are ready to eat. All right, Howard, you do the honors.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, I really liked how the cocoa and the toastiness from the charcoal really accented the chocolate. It was so good.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you head over to your local Home Depot, get you a big bag of Kingsford Charcoal and Masterbuilt Gravity series, and we'll see you next week.